this is Amy from Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to show you how to make this crochet bunny peep with velvet yarn and a G hook. The pattern is down below. I'm going to use this baby velvet yarn with the G hook. You can always make it bigger with a bigger hook, thicker yarn. And I created an Easter playlist, so that's down below in the description if you'd like to take a look at that of all my Easter videos. Slip knot onto your hook and create a chain 6. Yarn over and pull through. You can always do more chains to make it wider if you'd like. And then in the second chain from the hook, work a single crochet, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over and pull through both loops. And then it's going to look like this, and then you'll start a new row with a chain 1 and turn, work an increase of 2 single crochet, and then single crochet in the next 3 stitches. You can always place your video in slow motion. There's a link down below on how to do so. And then work an increase on the end here, 2 single crochet, chain 1, and then work 1 single crochet in each stitch across for the next 3 rows. Chain 1 and repeat. You are going to make 2 of these and then sew them together. Okay, repeat again, just single crochet across. Chain 1 and then work a decrease in the next 2 stitches. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn, then yarn over and pull through 3 loops, single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then work a decrease again. Chain 1 and turn and work a single crochet in each stitch across. chain 1 and turn, work a decrease, 2 together, and then work a single crochet, and then 2 together again, and then chain 1 and turn and work an increase. It's going to get bigger for the head, so 2 in the same stitch, and then a single crochet in the next, and then 2 single crochet, chain 1 and turn, work 2 in the same stitch, increase, single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then single crochet, increase on the end, then chain 1 and turn, single crochet in each stitch across, chain 1 and turn, work 2 single crochet together, single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then work 2 single crochet together, and then chain 1 and turn, and then work 2 single crochet together, then single crochet, and then 2 single crochet together, and then you're going to start the ear. You'll do one of the ears with a chain 1 and turn, work 2 single crochet in the same stitch, chain 1 and turn, and then work a single crochet in the 2 stitches, and then chain 1 and turn, and then work 2 single crochet in the same stitch, and then work 1 single crochet in the next, and then chain 1 and turn, and then work a decrease, and then work a single crochet, and then chain 1 and turn, and then single crochet in the 2 stitches, and then chain 1 and turn, and then work a decrease, and then pull through after a chain 1. So chain 1 and pull through, and then you're going to attach yarn to the other side and create another ear. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, and then you're going to create another ear the same exact way, creating 2 single crochet, and there should be like a stitch right in between the 2 ears, and then you'll chain 1 and turn, and everything else is all repeat, just like the other ear. Now you're going to take both of the bunnies and sew them together. You can even add stuffing inside, which I just add a little bit of velvet yarn inside. And if you have eyes, you can attach them inside now, or you can glue them on with a little nose. So I am going to glue these on to attach them permanently, but that's what they look like, and you can add a nose. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This can be done in many different types of yarn. I felt like the velvet yarn was really cute and very easy to work with. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.